Hey guys, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel. So in the latest episode of What Could Possibly Go Wrong, we have this throwout bearing base made by Tilton, part number 62-899, which is too short. It doesn't allow enough extension. You can see the base of it is probably about a 1/4 inch thick, something like that. And in order to get the amount of distance away from the clutch that we need to mate to this T56 transmission, we need the longer base, which is part number 62900. It is on its way. We've had the SC400 up on the rack over the weekend and came in and got this nice little puddle under the car, which is not expected, so that's fun. So mystery leak and waiting for the part, which is coming. It should be here tomorrow for the extended base, which will allow for the correct distance for the throwout bearing to clutch ratio needed. So it's happening. It's not happening the way we want or as quickly as hoped, but we are in process. So once we're done, hopefully I'll be shifting for myself, but yes, my car is having a fit, and we are waiting. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.